So the last task that we have before moving on to the challenge exercises is that we want the robots to disappear when they hit the bullet, right, or the flower. And so how would we get that done? Right? As we have it right now, the bullet goes right through the robot, and the robot doesn't get affected by the bullet. So what we would want to do is click on the bullet sprite. I'm sorry, the robot sprite. And somewhere in the forever loop, we can add an additional check, right? We have if the robot is checking if it's touching the spaceship, but we can add to that and we can check if the robot is touching the flower 1. So let's go ahead and do that and say if touching flower 1, then I'm going to delete this clone. Let's see if that works. Oh, good. So it deletes the clone, and let's see, does it go right through the, okay, it goes right through the robot. And maybe we don't want that, right? Maybe we want the flower to also be destroyed as it hits the robot, right? And so what we can do here is we can send out a broadcast message. So let's go ahead and send out a broadcast message under events. And I'm going to broadcast here. Ooh, I'm going to broadcast after I delete the clone. Oh no, I can't do that. Okay, so let's broadcast and we'll say new message, and we could say hit, right? If you want to get more specific, you could say hit by flower using underscores as spaces. We say okay. And over here on the flower, you're going to receive that broadcast. So when I receive hit by flower, well, I want to delete this clone. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that and see if that works. And so what we're trying to look for is the flower should go away. Oh, good. And so sometimes it's a little bit buggy and it makes it so that the robot does not disappear, but it looks like we've programmed it correctly. So yeah, there we go, right? And maybe we can also add an animation to our robot and a sound, right? And I'll go ahead and let you do that.